Hey YouTube family, how's all my pink loves doing today? I hope great. So it's time for another DIY project, and this one is Mother's Day slippers that you can do for your mommy, your grandma, your granny, your nana, your auntie, or any special woman that is in your life of a mommy figure or whatnot. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Everything that I'm using came straight from the Dollar Tree. For this project, you're gonna need a hot glue gun, and of course your hot glue sticks. You're gonna need some faux flowers, any color of your choice. You're gonna need a boa, again any color that you choose. And you're gonna need some house slippers in whatever color that you choose. I got pink and white. All these items that I got came from the Dollar Tree. So the first one I'm gonna make, all I gotta do is take my flowers off the stem. I'm just gonna need 2. And then you're gonna also need some scissors. So you wanna take your scissors and you see how it has this little that little part right there? You wanna snip that off. Just like that. So it'll be flat. Get as close as possible. Just find the center as close as you can. Get a good amount of hot glue on there. Then you're just going to take your flower and you're just going to press it in the hot glue. And press it down and hold it. Flower slippers. How adorable. The next pair is just as simple. I'm going to use the white ones. At my Dollar Tree, all I could find is white and pink. I didn't see any other colors. I'm really not sure if they come in any other colors. They may not. I'm not sure. If you know, leave me a comment down below and let me know what other colors they come in. These right here are Frederick of Hollywood inspired. Put some hot glue right there so it don't fray.